another video, and today I'll be we're in a video called well, actually this is gonna be a series called Creation Town. I added some iron golems. Now you should bone meal the crops. So I hope by 2024 we have a full-on city. How did you not? How are you invincible? Okay, anyways, we hope I have a full-on city. So right now, we're working with a lot of cursed things like this, which we are gonna fix shortly. Right now, we are trying to make everything look good, things like that. Right now, the only thing that matters is the detail. So right now, we're gonna improve this by doing this. As you can see, we're turning two houses into one, which is fairly simple if you ask me. Okay, so we're gonna break this and replace that with terracotta. But now, on the outside, we're gonna replace these with terracotta, but that with cobblestone. Then we're going to cover this up. Then we're going to turn this into a terracotta wall. You see how it kind of blends in? See? That makes sense? Like, I'm totally know what I'm talking about. See how it blends in? Now, all we have to do is make this look good. So, yeah. But we're working on making a great house. Right now, a mansion, basically. So, how about this? Okay, break this, then we have to connect it with this. So that means all we have to do is this, and then this, right? Okay, now then we have to do this. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's good. I never build this good. Like, I'm horrible. I'm a horrible builder. I'm a very horrible builder. If you see my builds, you're gonna embarrass me. Anyways, so that is the infrastructure we got right here. Now we're gonna cover that up. Okay. Right now it's not looking so good because this side's part terracotta. So we're going to change that to cobblestone. And we're going to put in some windows. Now we're going to put in some panes. Let's go yellow. Because, like, why not? Yellow. There. Done the panes. Okay. Now we should erase that. Now replace that and that. Bam! We got this in the bag. Okay, we should probably destroy this tree. I mean, like, who wants a tree in front of their entrance? Okay. We're also gonna bone meal their crops. I mean, like, we're trying to make a city. You can't just have a city with no crops. I mean, like, you have to have plants somewhere. Okay, so this, and this. And okay, that looks good. Yeah, looks great. That actually looks pretty good. Okay, now we're gonna erase everything in our inventory. Now, this looks very horrible. So the easiest way to fix it, just do this. This. Fix this, turn that into that. This. And 3, 2, 1. Final touching. Bam! Ah, jeez. Bam! Oh, yeah, that looks amazing. Okay. We're gonna make this the place of things. The tree of growth. Just kidding. There's no such thing as tree of growth. Like, who wants a tree of growth? If you like trees of growth, then we like trees of growth. Okay, anyways. We are gonna do this. Then we're doing that. Bang, bop. Okay, now we're gonna destroy these torches. Torches are so old style. And now we're going soul lanterns. You thought I was gonna do regular lanterns? No! Soul lanterns! Burn up, burn it. Now the new light source in this house is obviously going to be regular lanterns, because soul lanterns only give good light outside. Okay, we also need some chains. Chains. Give me a second. I'm going to die. Anyways, we're going to need damp lanterns. Bang, bop, boop, bang. That looks amazing, kind of. Not really. Yeah, not really, yeah. Anyways, now we are gonna add lanterns right here. And a lantern right here. Okay, that just made no sense. That made no sense. Okay, and just for the show, I'm gonna add some extra things. So, we're making a house. We're gonna have to have a garden. First, we're gonna make the bedroom. Obviously, everybody knows what the bedroom is, but we're going to sign today. Then we're going to get some slabs. Prismarine. I choose Prismarine. That's like wooden. And then, okay, yeah, I don't think we can do that. Let's just put in the bed. And then we're going to put in a nightstand. I think you guys know what... If you watched EOI stream, you might know what I'm doing. If you watch EOI stream, you should know what I'm doing. Yeah, so, yeah. So, we are gonna make the nether link. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, not quite 9 lives. Whoa. Yeah, I actually shouldn't have done that. Yeah, I think I just ruined the whole entire village. So, yeah, when you play with respawn acres, be careful. That's why they say don't play with fire. I see why now. Never play with fire, or else that may happen to you. Okay, I'm gonna add sea lantern there just cause I can. So. Yeah, this was not a good video. We should really fix this. Let's go. Do this. Hustle. Okay, how are we gonna fix this? Nobody knows. Okay, we officially ruined the village. Trying to look for another one. Locate mine shaft. Locate stronghold. Look. Come on, no. Locate village. Nope. Bye, village. I don't want you anymore. I don't like you. I'm going to look for another one. This song's gonna get stuck inside you. This song gonna get stuck inside you. This song gonna get stuck inside your head. That was quick. Anyways, this time we have a better village. This time we're gonna check if there's a blacksmith. I'm very good with blacks. Oh, this is the best house I could find right now. So we are gonna upgrade it to campfire level. Campfires are very good. Bang, bop, boop. Now we need some slabs. Nope, we don't need petrified ones. Just want slabs. If you're petrified, you're okay, okay? Being petrified is okay sometimes. Whoa, that looking good, boy! Anyways. Yeah, that looks totally normal. Anyways, so right now we got... Yeah, you're like, what am I doing here? Right now, we are going to break you, replace that with you. Now, gonna get a sword to kill you. Bah! Bang! Boop! Bang! Get out of here! You're not welcome. Anyways, we're going up the stairs. This is where we're gonna put the bed. I mean, like, Baruna. And that's the bed. Now, we're gonna try the respawn anchor. Except we're gonna do it far away first. So let's start with that. Okay, let's do this. Okay, glowstone, twisting vines. What else do we need? Oh right, sea lantern. Okay, we're not ruining the whole village, so let's go back to Explosion Town. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, do we do this? Yes, we do. Do we do this? Yes. You know what? That looks kind of bad, but okay, yeah, we're definitely doing that now. Bye. Let's go. Anyways, let's go back to the House of Glory, where literally everybody survives the night. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Careful. Done. Oh, we did it, bro. We did it, bro. Okay. Now, we're gonna have to fix you because you're just a mess. So, diddle bang, diddle bang, bop, boop. Okay, that looks good. Now that looks good. That's a beginner house. I like that. Okay. Now for the bottom, we're gonna put in a crafting table, and the lectern just broke. Now, someone get a job. Now someone can craft. Then we're gonna get an invisible item frame I made, if you guys didn't watch the video. And then we're gonna put a stone axe. Bam! See? I know how to make an invisible item frame. We should probably infect you and disinfect you. Yeah, we should. Okay. Zombie. Yeah, zombie, do your thing. Zombie, do your thing. Just, okay. Bye, zombie. Bye. Oh, come on, the slimes. Who likes slimes? Anyways, that's the end of the video. Goodbye!